I arrived to my destination. I'm going to try to get something to eat now. And then I'll see if I can access my apartment earlier than expected. I think I'm here. Oh, let's see how this is. I think it's okay. I think it's on top of the stairs completely. See. Okay. There's a small corner to work. An apartment, quite comfortable, I think. Fridge, the kitchen, coffee machine, that's good. The bathroom with the washing machine, toilet, quite comfortable, big bed. This is going to be okay. It will be great for the night. Live well, everybody. The adventure continues.